Can you see what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to put my thumb and get some space. Okay, I have the space now. Then I can just start bending the third one also. As I said, these four verses here are among the tricky verses we are going to be addressed on this channel. A lot of people have ended up with broken vase. Yeah, this vase, it breaks most of the time. So first thing you gotta do is use your hands like this. Try to widen up the mold to have some space. Then you're gonna fold it like that. Fold, yeah. Fold the other side also. You have to go around and fold the whole thing. Then after doing that, you cannot just go straight because what? It's bended. So if you try to go straight, you're just gonna break this part here, which is very not too fragile, but it's bended. So then you're just gonna lay it down like this, and you try to peel it again. We are going to bring out this curvy spot like this. See? I hope you can see it clearly. And we're also going around just as we did for the first curvy part. Okay, can see just make it look like you're trying to peel off something from something. Now here's the tricky one. You're gonna put your thumb and just get some space. So tricky, man. Can you see what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to put my thumb and get some space. Okay, I have the space now. Then I can just start bending the third one also. This is like the trickiest one. You're gonna start bringing it out. Oops. Okay, can you see? You can just put it in your, sometimes I put it against my belly just so I can be able to force it out gently. You're going to use force, but at the same time, you have to be gentle. If not, the tip here is going to break. So you just bring it out. And once you have the whole thing out, all you need to do is try to like you're trying to move in circles, trying to bring out something gently. Then it's going to give this pop sound. And we have it. Ta-da! And it's beautiful. The marble effect came out just perfect, just how I imagine it to be. So the same process you worked for this is the same for the small one. We have the biggest there. They come in three sizes. There is the biggest one. That will be in another video. I'm going to show you how you can also unmold it. If this is giving us a headache, imagine how difficult it's going to be to unmold the big one. But I'm going to show you. It's not that difficult with my help. So we're going to follow the same process to unmold the tiny one. First, you have to peel the first curve, then use your hand to like pull the mold just so you could put your thumb and fold it again. It's just about folding. You go around. Oh my god, I love the marble on the small one. It's already coming out, and you can see that it is very dark. These are kind of soft, it's subtle, but this is dark. I like that it's dark. And another thing again, I'm still gonna use my thumb. I don't have nails, so it's kind of difficult. Like this. Can you see? Just fold it, and okay, you're bringing it out. Then you have to go down. You cannot just say I'm gonna pull it out from here. No, you have to bring the whole of the third curve out. My gloves is trying to meddle with this unmolding process, but I'm not gonna let it win. Pop. And here it is. Oh my god, I love this. It's so beautiful. I like it. Here, our marble set is slowly coming out, and we have this guy here, the next tricky part, and I'm going to, okay, this is how you do it. You have to gently fold this first part. If not, sometimes it starts tearing from here, and once it starts tearing, it's silicone. You cannot stitch it up, put a tape or anything. It just becomes useless. So you have to fold this part gently. Then when you fold this part, I think I'm going to use my belly. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. And you get this, you grab it like this, put it against your belly or whatever you need. Put it against something, and you start folding it. I just folded it like this. Can you see? Come on, come on, come on, come on. And you have to remove the thing you put inside. I use the rag so that it doesn't, close. And there we have it. The marble effort did not come out very well, but I still love it. You can see this is how you can unmold this beautiful vase. Okay, now the next one we are going to unmold is this. I call it the pebble vase. And if you have been paying attention to the other processes, you definitely know that you need to also do the same. Just imagine you're trying to fold something, right? You just open it wide and start folding. This also comes in layers and curves, so you have to be careful how you bend the whole thing. You need to put your thumb, just as I taught you, then you fold. And I'm not gonna lie, you need a little bit of strength, honestly, to do this. So if you think you cannot do it, you can get someone that is stronger than you to help you with it. Just show them the process. Honestly, I also tried to I really tried hard to get this stuff. It's kind of tricky. Sometimes it breaks. I just hope this doesn't break. Just fold again. Now this final fold is the most difficult one. Have to fold it like this. And we are in the last layer. And I'm just going to use my fingers to pull it from the bottom. I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it out. Can you see? I'm pushing it out. Here we go. Got some issues here, but it's not that bad. I love it. This vase is really cute, especially if you add some flowers into it. The bunny tails in brown, and you see it's already looking cute. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye.